Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by saving your progress and confirming versions. First, back up the save folder to USB or cloud so updates don't overwrite progress. This prevents data loss. Once done, open the game menu and read the current version number to identify required patches. Make sure your device has at least 5 GB free, stable Wi-Fi, and more than 50% battery. These conditions reduce install failures and speed up download and install processes. Next, get the update files and install them in the right order. Use the in-game updater or your platform store and select the exact regional build to match your install. Mismatched builds cause crashes. Before starting, disable or remove third-party mods because they often conflict with new files. This avoids checksum errors. Then install sequentially. Main base patch first, followed by DLC updates, and finally any hotfixes. This preserves compatibility and ensures updated assets load correctly. Finally, verify the installation and test gameplay. Run a file integrity check or verification tool to repair missing assets, then launch the game and load a backed-up save to confirm stability. If everything runs, reapply only compatible mods one at a time and clear the game cache between tests to catch issues early. If problems appear, crashes, missing textures, check the game logs, roll back to your backup, or reinstall the main package. This targeted troubleshooting isolates the cause and restores play quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.